Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to unblock people on X. So open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, then scroll to Settings and Privacy, open section that is called Privacy and Safety, then tap Mute and Block section and tap Blocked Accounts. So here from this list you should find specific account that you want to unblock and tap this blocked button in order to unblock this person. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.